Shut up! It's the 10-minute power hour!
Well, oh my god! Hi, hello, I didn't realize we were doing the show.
We've been given this gift, Dan.
What's that?
We've been given the gift of being on camera, which is a blessing and a curse because I had a very stressful week and I'm breaking out. I have 5 different pimples.
Oh. It's like Mary Poppins. Remember Mary Poppins?
Mary Poppins goes down.
On who? Ooh! What are we doing? Today, Aaron?
And then you throw the envelope on the table.
An envelope from the Noof Corp.
The Noof Corp? What is Noof Corp?
I don't know.
It's like a letterhead and everything. And from Klaus E. Noof, no relation to Noof Corp.
Okay.
From Starbomb, Germany. I don't think that's a real place.
58008 Enos P. Drive. Big old smile on Borf's face right now.
Dear Mr. Game Grumps, okay. I congratulate you on your fun purchase of Goody Noof DIY GREE.
Mm-hmm.
Degree? Do-it-yourself gold record MC experience.
That's the one.
It will be a lot of fun, and then we will cry and enjoy your frustration. Enjoy each step to become your own gold record MC. Get ready for the evening of a life.
He's asking us to make a gold record?
Who stays in the room? Who goes? You guys can choose it that way.
You want me to flip the limited edition Sekiro coin that sat on a shelf undisturbed until you so rudely grabbed it so that I could dent it by flipping it on a table? Heads I win, tails you lose.
Okay. That's not what we're flipping
Tails
for.
you lose!
Oh, good work. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, Mom. Goodbye, Dad. I will always love you.
Oh, it says we have 10 minutes to complete this task.
Oh, God!
Hi, Dan.
Hey, Aaron. How's it going?
I can hear you. I have headphones.
I can also hear you. This is very exciting.
You're exciting.
Thank you.
Start.
So in front of you, you have a black pad, a black square. To the left. Nope. Left. Yes, that is a record. Okay, put it on the black square. To the left and up, forward with that left hand. Forward. Yes. There's the glue.
Glue.
Open it up and apply that glue to the record.
Okay, it's open. Apply the glue but I'll ruin the record.
That's okay.
But what if I want to listen to it? Is there glue on it?
Yeah, there's glue on it. You already put a bunch of glue on it. No, you're not applying it to the thing yet. You're applying gold leaf to the record.
Well, I should probably spread it around, right?
Well, that's actually going to be counterproductive to our causes.
Why?
Because you're going to stick to everything.
Oh.
To the left. Go to the left.
What do your elfin eyes see?
There, right there. I think that's gold leaf.
I'm seeing with my head.
What's touching your thumb right now is the gold leaf.
It's so delicate!
I know, you're sticking to it like I said you would because you put glue everywhere.
Do I put it on the disc now?
Yeah, put it on the disc. Why not? What could possibly go wrong? Looks great. Keep applying more leaf.
Is that the right place?
Ish. It's technically on the record. Aaron, I'm not gonna lie to you. This looks subpar at best.
Don't tell me it looks subpar.
There's just a pile of gold leaf on the record. Like 75% of the record is exposed. Try to gently smush it around a little.
Where is the gold leaf? You're not telling me.
It's everywhere. Your giant monster glue hands have ripped it apart and spread it all willy-nilly. Let's just say that's good enough.
No, that's not good enough. It needs to be...
You're right, Aaron. You are going for perfection.
How's that?
Okay. Yeah, it looks really good. Flip that over and apply glue to that side of the record.
Oh, whoops.
There's a small amount of tracing paper attached to it. There you go. There you go. Place the record out. Yes. And now put glue all over that bad boy.
Oh, man. Where's the bad boy?
There is a small amount of gold leaf on your thumb. Keep applying more glue.
Oh.
There you go. There you go. Perfect. Flawless. Flip it over and smack it down.
Does it feel like you're in a Doom game?
It really does.
Is there any more steps?
Oh, I guess he wants some gold leaf on the plaque itself.
Oh, man. Is it good over it?
That's on the record again. Yes, good. Smash it down. The gold leaf is attached to your thumb, billowing in the wind. Yep, there you go. That's on the, yeah. Yeah. Dwarf, I think we're done.
There's a plaque.
There's a plaque.
There's a plaque? Where's the plaque?
Where's the plaque?
Oh,
is it this?
That thing. Glue that.
Glue it.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, that's on top of the it's fine. Just put some gold leaf on top of that and you're good.
One
yep,
minute.
perfect.
Yes, which one's the gold leaf?
There you go. Oh, boy, it was close, but we saved it right at the end.
Is there need to be more?
Yeah, sure.
Did I do it?
All right.
Good?
Yep.
Hey! It's beautiful.
It's really
Hey,
good.
that's not bad. That's not bad.
Could have been way worse.
Wow, it's beautiful. What a gold record. Uh-oh.
Dan's here! Hello. Another letter from the Noof Corp. Noof Corporation. Klaus E. Noof. No relation. Congratulations on completing the first part of Goody Noof DIY-GREE. We need to make this gold record personal to the hitmaker.
Rate the following on the circular O-ring. Wendy Oldbag, Huff Puff Remix, featuring Aaron Hansen and Danny Avidan.
Are we gonna give this to Ben? That is such a sweet idea.
12 minutes?
12 minutes.
Why does he get an extra 2 minutes?
Well, this involves cutting a circular O-ring, and I don't need to tell you that cutting is dangerous when blindfolded, and you don't want it anywhere near your O-ring.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
Make a wish.
5, 2, 1 minute.
Sweet.
Why is he putting gloves on?
I don't know. Aaron, no one else but me can hear what you're saying, for the record.
Tell them all that they suck and they're stupid.
Aaron says he loves you.
Okay, grab to the end of the table.
You alright? You feeling okay?
There's already like a cut paper that you could literally use the sleeve that the record came in because it's already cut to the shape of the.
Aaron's very upset about something.
Up, left, right. Oh, down, right there. Start cutting a circle, baby.
Feels pretty good so far.
Okay, rotate. That's really big. You know what? That's a pretty dang good circle.
Really?
Well, no, you're going off course. We'll fix it in post.
We'll fix it in post. Excellent.
Circle's got a tumor.
Alright, whatever, man. I've exorcised the demon.
It's like a circle with like a triangle hat.
Where is it? I feel like I'm having my first lovemaking experience again.
Look down,
okay.
You clod.
How's that?
Okay. All right, that's great. That looks
yeah, it is great. Thanks.
Dude, you're doing fine.
I can't feel this thing at all.
You keep like folding it up. I can't tell what you're cutting.
That makes two of us.
So grab the glue. It's right in front of your right hand. Direct hit. That was like
Thank you.
My battleship levels.
Is glue coming out?
Yeah, I can't tell. And then, oh yeah! You covered up most of my gold leaf, but that's fine. It's like kind of glued on, I guess. You got.
Where's the glue, man? Why doesn't glue come out of this thing? I'm gonna remove this part and then gently let a little bit of glue out. How's that? Does that? It feels gluey. It feels gluey. Okay, good. Yeah, that's.
Do more.
More? Tell me where. Here?
Yeah. That's good.
Okay.
Ooh, that's a lot of glue. Okay, with your left hand now, try to grab the Sharpie.
That feels Sharpie-ish.
Yes. Yeah, there you're good.
Who put this glue on here? It's everywhere.
So write Wendy Oldbag, and you gotta save room because there's a lot of dang words. Hyphen. Huff Puff Remix.
Puff.
Oh, you're going off the O-ring. Featuring, but abbreviated, so feet. Aaron Hansen, and it's way far away from where Aaron Hansen was, but okay.
Just tell me what to write.
Danny Avidan, produced by Ben Perry, 2019, always reserved.
Where's there space on the O-ring?
I'm telling you, it's just a giant blue-ass white that's in front of me.
Ben.
You're way off the paper, bud. I did this backwards. You were supposed to glue it after you wrote it.
Is that right, Aaron?
That's it, you're done.
30 seconds.
You can put that timer away, Chris. Because we just crushed it.
Yay!
Yeah! Great work, Aaron.
Yeah, great
all right.
work, Dan.
Can I take a look at this?
I couldn't even see it. It It's just a big mass of white. I didn't know it was just covered in glue. Hey, at least you got some marks.
I feel like you should have said something. Did I even take the cap off this thing?
You did.
Wow. I wrote everything you told me to.
I know, I saw you do it. What do you mean? I don't understand. How's there another letter? You're almost ready for your Goody Noof DIY GREE. What is that supposed to mean?
Good enough degree.
We need to make this gold record presentable. What do you mean present? Look at it, it's beautiful.
Yeah, you think we could present it any harder than this?
Oh, sweet earwax, dude.
Yeah, not that much.
Well,
I mean, no more so than
that's
usual.
open to interpretation. Chris, Stan can see your chesticles. Check out all the Starbomb merch. You gotta come down to starbomb.com/merch where you can get all this merch. Wow!
Gently take the plaque and a pen of your choice. That doesn't look right.
Oops.
You know what? We're gonna... Aaron, relax. Place your right hand down. Right. Down. There. Oh, well, you just knocked it off the table. It was an envelope. There it is. We're gonna write on that because you can't write on the plaque. Place that on the yes, and now write the following. Presented to Ben Perry, a.k.a. Penis Bailey, because that's his name.
His name is that. It's on his birth certificate.
Of Buckwheat Groats for 200,000 worldwide streams.
I forgot how many zeros I wrote. I wrote 200,000 and then I wrote 1,000 afterwards. I can't see.
Huff Puff Remix. That's it.
What? I did it?
Uh-huh. Tastefully. Perfect.
Yeah.
Yep, lock it in. Super. Open the frame. There you go.
There's plastic over it?
Okay, Aaron, don't use your teeth.
Well, it's the only thing I can feel with.
Okay.
Be gone!
So there's a picture of a young lady in there, so we have to remove that.
I hate gloves.
Don't use your teeth.
Ah, it stuck me. I wasn't using my teeth, I was using my lips. Can I take this out now? Oh, I can.
Yeah, okay.
Is this the picture?
There's the picture. Okay, so that can go away. Tastefully slide that in to place.
Is it the right direction?
It seems like the right dimensions.
Oh.
Did it just snap into place? You probably don't need the cardboard. And just seal it up. Bork, do you really not want to be on camera that much? He is like trying to hide behind the wall.
It's so hard.
I feel like I'm watching the world's lamest snuff film.
Oh, there it is. Wait, is that it? Oh, yeah, there it is.
You don't have to use those gloves.
You're telling me now I don't have to use the gloves? Oh, this is so much easier. What do you think? Hey, here's for you.
Flip it upside down? Yeah, that looks really good.
What do you think of that? Mwah.
Give yourself a round of applause.
Let me take a quick peek at that.
Is that a good sign?
No, it's good. It's good.
Hey, I sealed that up nice.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Wow.
Yeah.
You can really... what the heck happened? It's just nonsense, and then it says Huff Puff Remix, like, perfectly framed out.
I don't know, you wrote that. Tonight is your big night. Now is your moment. Via your MC proxy, do the following. Greet your hitmaker, Ben Perry. Present your gold record to your hitmaker. Interview your hitmaker about their life in music.
You guys are going to sit in the other room, and via your proxy, you're going to present it to Ben.
Who's the proxy?
Alright.
What are you doing?
I was expecting Aaron and Dan. I'm not quite sure.
I thought he was going to
what's
go out of the
happening.
office.
How you doing?
Oh, I thought he was gonna go like out of the office.
Oh.
Who are you talking to?
Are you just repeating everything that we're saying?
Are you just repeating everything that we're saying?
No,
I think that's what he was instructed to do.
I think that's what he was instructed to do.
Ike, don't blow our cover.
Ike, don't blow our cover.
Ike's blowing the cover. I gotta say, this is a sweet look for you, man.
Okay.
Ben Perry.
Ben Perry.
Hey.
Hold on, give me a second.
Hold on, give me a second.
Okay.
Don't say that out loud, Ike.
Don't say that out loud, Ike. No.
Are you calling me
say
Ike?
everything that we say.
He's gonna say everything that we say out loud.
Ben Perry.
Ben Perry.
Hi.
Congratulations.
Is that the
Congratulations.
Greet your hitmaker, Ben Perry.
Greet your hitmaker, Ben Perry.
Hello, Ben Perry.
Hello, Ben Perry.
Put it there.
On behalf of Game Grumps,
On behalf of Game Grumps,
we would like to present you
with
this gold record that we made ourselves.
with this gold record that we made ourselves.
He didn't say the
Give him the record.
He didn't say the give him the record.
No, Ike, you give him the record.
Yeah, Ike.
No, Ike, you give him the record.
Ike, give him the record.
Ike, give him the record.
I'm Mike.
Ben, it would be my honor for you to take the record from my hand.
It would be my honor for you to take the record from my hand.
It would be my honor to take it.
Please read the inscription.
It looks like.
Please read the inscription.
Is this in Sanskrit? It says presented to Ben Pry.
You can read that?
Wow.
You can read that?
Something about Garfield.
No,
Huff
not
Puff.
Garfield. What the hell are you talking about?
No, not Garfield. What the hell are you talking
No,
about?
don't say that.
That looks like it says
Ike.
No, don't say that, Ike.
Yeah, I see some gold shavings.
Ben,
Yeah.
here we...
Say it softer, dang it.
Say it softer, dang it.
Me?
Don't say it so
says,
aggressively. No.
Don't say it so aggressively, Ike.
Ben,
I
please
guess
tell
that
us
says
about
Harry.
buckwheat
Please tell-
groats.
Ben, please tell us about Buckwheat Groats.
Buckwheat Groats is a band that I'm in. We rap about various topics such as
Cut him off, Ike.
McDonald's and
Cut him off, Ike.
Where's the reptilian headquarters?
Where's the reptilian headquarters?
Moscow.
Moscow?
Is that not right?
What is your favorite word?
What is your favorite word?
Cheese.
Cheese.
Are the Greys working with the reptilians?
Are the Braves working with the reptilians? what did you say?
The
The
Greys.
Atlanta Braves.
The Greys.
Are the Greys working with the reptilians?
Grays, like Sasha Grey and her family.
No, the aliens.
Alien.
No, the aliens.
Oh, the Greys. Oh, no, I think they're like separate entities. You know, like
What?
there's the aliens and the lizard people that I think they originate like from Earth. So
Why are you covering up for the aliens?
Why are you covering up for the aliens?
I'm not. You know, I have nothing to gain from any of this. You know, I just I'm definitely not.
Yeah, so he says.
No, don't say that.
I've never.
No,
made,
don't say that.
I've never
Point
made
an
contact
accusatory finger
with any
towards him.
aliens.
Point an accusatory finger towards him.
It's actually over towards
Kinda looks like
Not at Andres, at Ben.
Not at Andre, said Ben.
snappy finger gun.
You got big
What
fingers,
profession
man.
other than your own would you like to attempt?
What?
What profession other than your own would you like to attempt?
I've always thought being like one of those garbage men.
Cut him
that,
off!
Like,
Time off. Cut him off.
Where's the reptilian headquarters?
Where's the reptilian headquarters?
does that mean it's not in Moscow?
You're the only one who
St.
knows. That's why
Petersburg?
we're asking you.
You're the only one that knows. That's why we're asking you.
Oh,
You didn't say.
Krakow?
You fool.
Oh,
Why are you covering up for the Russians?
Why are you covering up for the Russians?
you know I am part.
Cut him
Russian.
off!
Cut him off.
Where's the reptilian headquarters?
Where's the reptilian headquarters?
Shake his hand and say thank you for your time.
Thank you for your time.
It's been real.
Thank you, Ben.
Thank you, Ben.
Thanks.
Every day with you is a blessing.
Every day with you is a blessing.
I wish
You
that I
know,
could kiss you.
I feel
but
the same
I'm
about
not
you. I
Very open
wish-
about my feelings.
I wish that I could kiss you, but I'm not very open about my feelings.
yeah, you know, just put it there. Give me a peck.
Don't kiss him.
Don't kiss him.
Where are the reptilian headquarters?
Where are the reptilian headquarters?
Cyan? Is this? Do I get to keep this?
Do you like your plaque?
Do you like your plaque?
I love this. This is now a prized possession. I didn't think anything about the Huff Puff remix would make it to physical form, and
Get
I'm
to
not
keep
sure.
it if you tell us about
it
the
looks like
reptilian
someone.
You get to keep it if you tell us about the reptilian headquarters.
It's in Vancouver.
Cut him off.
Cut him off.
Where's the reptilian headquarters?
Where's the reptilian headquarters?
Mexico.
Right answer.
Correct.
Right answer.
All right.
Correct.
Yeah.
High five him.
Don't high five him.
High five him. Don't high five him.